Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the HOTWAV T5 Pro. So at the start always check your DND mode, so open the top menu, expand the icons, look for the DND distant mode and check that you have this feature deactivated, like here. Little obvious I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so just check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. In the first step, open the notifications, check that you have these switchers activated, and after that go to the additional settings and check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. Now go back, go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi, turn on the background data and select the unrestricted data usage. In the next step, try to clear cache of your files, so go to the storage and cache, choose the clear cache button. After that, if you still don't have your WhatsApp app, not the notifications, make the backup of your message and try to clear the storage. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp and check your alerts. If you still don't have it, try to reset your network settings, so open the settings, go to the system and swipe down to the reset options. Select the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on the reset settings and tap on this button again. And in the last step, try to update your system, so go to the system update and tap on the check for update button. If you haven't, just install it and look for your alerts again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.